So Soham is a very top secret, profound mantra. It is a mantra of soul. It is a divine song of cosmic consciousness, and that divine music of cosmic consciousness is breathing in every living creature, and that is the divine music of life. The divine song of life is Soham mantra. Soham, Soham, Baja baje, Soham, Soham, Baja baje. This baja, this inner music, this inner instrument is singing this Soham, Soham mantra. So my Guru, he taught me just sit in a cross-leg posture, watch your breath. Inhale with so, exhale with hum. And he used to call this meditation as Anirvachaniya Dhyanamay Namasmaran. What a beautiful word. Anirvachaniya. Vachana means speak. You are not supposed to utter, mutter, murmur. Anirvachaniya. Dhyana means attention. Your attention, without any word, without any utterance, you are feeling that music in your breath. When you inhale, slowly the so, you can hear in the right ear, so goes in, hum comes out. And he gave us this simple mantra. He said, sit quiet. At least sit for 1 hour. It's not a joke to sit 1 hour and do the Soham mantra. Your mind will be tired, you will be exhausted, your sleep will come. So many things happen. But boy, when you sit quiet in the morning and in the evening, at least half an hour, and do Soham mantra, what will happen? When you sit quiet, still, no fiddling-faddling of the finger, no blinking of the eyelid, no movement of the eyeball. You are simply sitting quiet and watching ingoing breath and outcoming breath. And when you pay complete attention to the third eye, so comes here, then it turns down, go behind the belly button, and hum comes out. So, today morning, suddenly one was awake at 4 o'clock, and there was silence. And I stretched my leg, put the blanket up to the chin. He said, you can do Soham meditation on the bed also. Bed is not dirty, bed is not ugly, bed is as sacred as your temple. Because when you divide Chuta and all this, then your mind gets caught in that. Everything is sacred for meditation. You can sacred in the home, you can meditate in the home, your home is sacred. You can meditate in your bedroom is sacred. People have created laws of do's and don'ts and this and that, and they get stuck with it and they don't know what to do. I'm not against your puja and against your shuta means sacred, unsacred. I think person who meditate, everything is sacred. The birds are sacred, the trees are sacred, the mountains are sacred, river is sacred, the whole world is sacred. Because sacred is not a creation of human mind or human brain. Sacred is coming from your soul.